You too. Yeah, we back, man. We in Ace's Performance Exhaust, man. So look, that motherfucker out of there. It don't sound good at all. So what I'm finna do is dropping it off. Finna go ahead and get the mufflers deleted today. Yeah, cause I know one of my mufflers messed up, so I'm finna get this work done today. I might go Borlar. But yeah, so I'm gonna tap back in, man. No. So,
okay, eso es lo que estaba leyendo de ese mismo lado. Tenemos que ver si eso era estado pasando el problema, porque pues
supercharge coming soon, man.
Pero no, eso nomás es.
So I'm gonna let y'all know what I went with. I'm gonna let y'all know what I went with without telling y'all everything. I don't want nobody trying to steal my mod. Yeah. Yes, sir. So, you know, I had to get some Chick-fil-A. I got an hour for my car get done, so pretty much what we're finna do right now, me and my girl finna eat. I'm gonna go back to Ace's and finish the video. Nah, man, like, subscribe, comment, more content coming soon. It's my boy Lewis, man.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Let me let you know what we did to this bad boy right here. We did some Borlar S types, two Borlar S types. Did a Resinator delete, MIDMUFFLER delete. We put we did the Borlars there, and then we did Resinator delete here in the back. Replaced it with 3-inch pipe, and then we did 5-inch black tips, as you can see right here. Right. We also went ahead and got rid of his flaps because they were rattling, so we got rid of that. And we put some piece of pipe right there in its place, and we also put some simulators so that his check engine light won't come on. So whatever you guys need on anything like that, we have other stuff that you want to do. We do headers, we do all that stuff, man. Just holler at him, tell him, refer him to me, and then we'll make a deal.
Hey, this is Lewis. Ask Lewis, man. I seen a number of reviews on Lewis, so this is what I'm going with.
Appreciate that, man. But yeah, she sounds good. And y'all hear right now, we already did some revs before and after, so y'all hear it. But she's ready to go.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you. Yes, sir. We back. Check engine light. They put a simulator on here, but the simulator didn't work, so I had to order another one. But it'll be off this week. Oh my gosh. Do y'all hear that? Oh my gosh. New content, man. Like, comment, subscribe. POV on the way. POV, man. POV, man. Just got my exhaust done. Muffler delete, Borlar exhaust. Yeah. 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 Y'all hear that, Mom? Y'all hear that? Cold day in Houston.